Hey everybody, how are you? So we are at the park again. I got my beautiful assistant videotaping. I think it was Stephanie that asked if I had tried my rope mod, my Amsteel Rope MOD on my Predator platform. So I had not, but I'm going to try it. But you can see the beast stick loop that I made fits pretty good on this here. So let's see what happens here. I come over here, we're gonna put it on the tree. Bring it around. And we'll put it behind the rope. Pull it tight. Pull it tight there. I'll come around twice. We got the dog out here at the park with us. I'm going to put a couple half hitches in it just to keep it on that button. And of course set it the way we always do, pushing down. And then we'll cam it into place. And there we go. Let's see. Yeah, it comes away from the tree a little bit, and I think that might be because of stretching, but let's see if we can step on the post and pull up and set it even more. And then recam it. Oh, that tightened it up. You can see that the bracket right here doesn't come off the tree. It is really solid on there right now. So yeah, the Amsteel Rope MOD would work on it. A little bit of side pressure. Other side too. Yeah, it is not moving at all. So, to answer your question, Stephanie, it does work with the platform. And to release it, we're just going to pull up and release it that way. And just take out our half hitches first. And we will be good to go. So it does work very well. Holds it tight to the tree. So another option, wrap this around here nice and tight. Then you've got that elastic strap to go anywhere you want it to go. Could bring it back through and hook it right onto there. Stays nice and tight, so pretty good. Another little rope mod. Might be making another rope mod. Put it on my Predator platform. All right, guys. See you later. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.